Get a 2025 Mustang GT. Today we're gonna replace the air filters. So we got two. So there's some clips here. Put it down, lift this up. And here's the filter, so we're gonna remove this one. Okay. You can use a flat screwdriver or a number 8. We're gonna remove this one, number 10. This up, we remove it. So here's the new part. Okay. Okay. See, this one should be here, okay, in this part right here. So stand it down, twist it. There you go. Okay. Okay. Okay, stand this one. There's one here. And that's it. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side.